Hi, this is Pete Colton with MarineMax Miami and Grady-White boats. I hope you enjoy this quick video of one of our new Grady-Whites. I'd love to take your phone call at 305-389-4946. This truly is one of the most comfortable boats you'll ever be on. You have plenty of seating. You can probably seat comfortably up to 15 people on board. Moving towards the back, you can see you have access to the rear platform where your twin 350 horsepower Yamaha engines are. You have an insulated live well and a cavernous ice box, so you can actually set this to freeze solid or just refrigerate food or just use it as an insulated cooler. As with every Grady, everything drains directly overboard, so nothing drains into the bilge. As you work your way forward, you can see you have a Kenyon electric grill and a 12-volt isotherm refrigerator, freshwater sink. Back here you have a serving table, but also with the push of a button you can move out this rear lounger, and it comes about halfway back here, so you could really just sit more people. You have a nice removable table and an L-shaped bench seat. Up here on your helm you have helm air conditioning. You also have air conditioning inside both the cabins. Plenty of room to mount whatever electronics you want. Very easy boat to operate. This one has a bow thruster. Inside of the sleeper, you can see, again, with a push of a button, you can open the bed up and sleep comfortably up to 2 people in here. But really, this is more of a day boat, I think, and you'd probably be a good place to maybe put a baby down or one of the kids to get out of the sun for a little while, keep cool in the air conditioning, change your clothes, anything like that. Over here on the starboard side, you have your head, and you also have a shower and a freshwater sink inside here. Moving forward, you have more insulated storage. This is a insulated cooler that drains directly overboard. We have another table that pops up over here on the port side, and you have your anchor and your windlass locker. Coming back through up here on your hardtop, it's a beautiful full beam hardtop. You have LED lighting throughout. The boat really looks beautiful at night. You also have underwater LEDs. And you have the electronic shore shade, which retracts when you're underway, or you can put it out when you're at anchor or at the dock and you just need some shade. If you have any questions, please call me anytime, 305-389-4946.